Hello everyone and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 2024 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. And first thing I'll point out, a beautiful stainless steel rub rail on this boat. It does come with a galvanized trailer, which is nice, single axle. It does have a bimini top equipped. Up in the bow, you're gonna have storage underneath the anchor locker, which is nice, or you can put an anchor in there. You'll have a nice bench seat with a couple stainless steel cup holders. Underneath the bench seat, you will have your battery and your fuel tank as well. Up on the dash, you're going to have a nice windshield with a few physical gauges in your steering wheel and your throttle off to your right, which is nice. It does have the teak package, as you'll see in the back here in the transom, a nice sporting ladder. It does come optioned with the Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke engine, which is plenty of power for this 13 Sport. Definitely gonna have a lot of fun on the water with this. It does have the stern rails here, the low profile ones all the way that you'll see. So easy to grab onto if you need to. So good option on this boat. Yeah, that's the 2024 130 Super Sport located here at MarineMax Rogers. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or come stop by.